Hello world. Welcome to Python Machine Learning on the Edge. Machine countdown begins. 0987654321.
Hello world, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Welcome to Robothought Zero to Hero series. This is a special series called Python Machine Learning on the Edge. Using Jetson Nano, guys, the most beautiful edge computing single board computer device called Jetson Nano. Alright guys, so guys, in near future, the upcoming lessons we will be using these learnings what we are going to learn in this particular series and deploy machine learning and IoT projects on the edge to basically capture, analyze and manipulate data, which again will be used in robotics and artificial intelligence by adding some of the computer visions on top of this, right? So basically guys, machine learning is a step into it's a one step, in fact it's one step into the direction of artificial intelligence. And you should also know that machine learning it's nothing but it's a simple program that which can analyze and learn to predict the outcome using various types of Python libraries. Alright, and this also involves ton loads of Python based algorithms. So basically guys, couple of things in this particular series. So machine learning, is all about making your computers learn from studying data and statistics. In our case, we will be using Jetson Nano as an edge computer, not only to learn about machine learning but also train our Jetson Nano to perform various machine learning tasks. Okay, and I will show you how to use Python programming language to train your Jetson Nano for machine learning tasks. Okay, so that's what this particular series is going to be all about. Remember guys, excuse me, I'm not going to teach you about statistics and mathematics here. Okay, I'm assuming that you guys are already good enough, even if you know some basic mathematics and statistics, which is fine. However, we will jump into hands-on practical approach of machine learning using Python libraries, and I will walk you through step by step from basics using Jetson Nano only into this edge device. All right. So in my previous tutorial video series, especially vision intelligence on Jetson Nano, I showed you how to install OpenCV for computer vision. We also did some installation on Python 3, right? And I also showed you how to install various Python libraries like MatPlot Lib, PyPlot Lib, Numpy, SciPy and bunch of other libraries, right? So I hope you guys are ready and set up with that, and I hope the machine learning bed, that is Jetson Nano, is ready with all those installation, including the Visual Studio IDE, which I showed you how to do that systematically. If you haven't done it, please go back to those tutorials, have a look at it, get it done, keep this ready with you in hand, because we will be using all those libraries in the machine learning lessons. All right, so do stay tuned guys, and I am going to be this is just an introduction for you to know what the series is going to be, and this is going to be really step by step systematic way, hands on, practically. You will be typing on the keyboard into your IDE or even on the Jetson Nano terminal. I will show you how to import the libraries and do some data manipulation, gather the data, do some modification, train your Jetson Nano to perform certain tasks. And these exercise will be using in the future lessons in the robotics area or even in IoT areas, right, using the edge device where we can deploy all these projects. So having said that, I hope you guys will definitely subscribe and enjoy these lessons, guys. Do leave me a comment, and I am going to be back soon in lesson number 1 very, very soon. Bye bye until then.